The Union government has been emphasizing on the development of infrastructure in the country, and in this series, Prime Minister on Tuesday dedicated two such infrastructure projects to the nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on the first day of his Gujarat visit, dedicated the petrochemical complex of ONGC to the nation at Dahej in Gujarat. The plant has been set up with 27,000 crore rupees investment spread over 508 hectares. This is the largest petrochemical complex of the country equipped with modern technology. At full capacity, the complex will annually produce 1.4 million metric tons of polymers and 5 lakh metric tons of chemicals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed an industry meet of OPAL project of ONGC in Dahej. He said that the project will not only provide employment to lakhs of people, but it will boost economic activities.
एक अनुमान है कि जब ये हमारा पीसीपीआईआर अपनी पूर्ण क्षमता पर जब विकसित होगा तो करीब करीब 8 लाख लोगों को किसी न किसी तरीके से रोजगार देने की ताकत रखता होगा। पीसीपीआईआर की वजह से दहेज और भरूच के आसपास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का भी बहुत अच्छा विकास हुआ है।
Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said the petrochemical sector is growing at a faster pace and has immense potential for employment generation. He said the increasing use of polymer products will substantially reduce the use of traditional products such as wood and help conserve natural resources. PM Modi stressed that no compromise can be done with the environment. He said industrial development can be achieved with protection of the environment.
जब अर्थव्यवस्था से काला धन खत्म होगा तो इसका फायदा हर सेक्टर, चाहे वो आर्थिक हो या सामाजिक, हर किसी को होगा। आज दुनिया भारत के इस साहसिक फैसले को बहुत सम्मान के साथ देख रही है।
The Prime Minister also dedicated a cable bridge connecting Mumbai-Delhi National Highway 8. This is the longest cable bridge in the country with a length of 1,344 meters. This bridge will reduce the traffic between Bharuch, Ankleshwar, and the passengers of Mumbai-Ahmedabad Highway will also get relief. On the occasion, the Prime Minister said that this bridge will bring a change to the life of the western part of the country along with Bharuch.
समय सीमा में आधुनिक टेक्नोलॉजी के द्वारा हिंदुस्तान में पहली बार इतना लंबा इस टेक्नोलॉजी वाला ब्रिज बना और वो भी मां नर्मदा के तट पे बना।
First day of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's two-day Gujarat visit clearly focused on oil and gas and roads and transport sector. On one side, ONGC's mega petrochemical plant will play an important role in creating jobs and giving a major push to the Make in India campaign. So on the other side, the extra-dose cable stay bridge in Bharuch will provide ease to the commuters between Mumbai and Ahmedabad and will also provide the much-needed infrastructure in Bharuch.
Prime Minister on Wednesday will visit the historic Somnath temple and will offer special puja at the temple where he is also a trustee. In the afternoon, he will address the conference of Sarpanchs gathered from across the country in Gandhinagar. The Prime Minister will give away the award to the 10 best performing women Sarpanchs. With inputs from Dharmendra Tiwari, Arun Sharma, Abhishek Singh and Ritu Verma, Bureau Report, DD News.